Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R. Fits a 07 to 13 Chevy truck with the 8-foot bed. Somewhat white in color. It's in pretty decent shape. Not a lot of issues on this one here. Paint's in good shape. Does have a roof rack on the top. There's the crossbars on it, so you can put your kayaks or camping gear up there, or whatever you might need. No damage that I can see. All the way down through here, it looks good. No damage. Bottom edge is in good condition. Not all chipped up. Does have a little minor, it's really minor chip right there. You can barely see it, but it's there. Does have the half side sliding windows on the sides. Picture window in the front. A little bit of a scuff mark right there. You can kind of see it. It would probably clean off with a little bit of buffing compound. It probably would clean off, but maybe they had something tied on there that rubbed on that or something. But a small scuff mark right there, so that would probably clean off as well. These are just dirt down here. These are dirt spots. These all come off. Really no damage on this cap that I've found yet. Picture window, top's in good condition. Bottom edge on this side looks good. Looks good through here. Got a little bit of bird poopies there. That'll wash off, we know that. Really no damage on this top here. Bottom edge is good condition over here as well. Got a minor chip right there and a little bit bigger one right there. That's probably the worst on this cab. I really don't even see anything. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. A little bit of a minor chip, right there in that corner, but that's probably just from carrying things in and out when it's loading in it. Fiberglass interior, just bare fiberglass interior. Screen's got a small hole right there. Other than that, the screen's in good shape. This side, screens look good. I don't see any holes in this one at all. No screens, half side sliders. Serial number. There it is, the Leer 100R. Fits the 2007 or 2013 Chevy truck, full-size truck with an 8-foot bed, Summit white in color. Like I said, it does have the roof racks on the top. It's in very good shape. There's also below a link. Below is a link to this unit from our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you. Those can all be purchased from us there as well. You can just type that in the search bar and go to town. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, certain size, certain color, certain model, you want to subscribe below. We upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in, so you'll want to do that to stay up to date on what's coming in. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick this up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.